Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today, I got a really cool toy that I got like a couple days ago, and I want you to guess where it is. Down in the comments right now. I'll give you 10 seconds. You know, I don't care. Just type in whenever you want to. But I'm gonna say the name right now. It is a fidget spinner. So I'm addicted to these. Really addicted. And I just thought about, like, I always think, oh god, I was way too in the screen. Oh god. So yeah, I just want to make a little video on this. Wow, I got a long time. When my storage is like filled up all the way. And that's one reason why I'm not be able to make videos all the time. Is because my storage always like goes up and up because I don't know, I got too much stuff on there. But yeah, so let me just place my camera down right. So it's this. I don't know why people are addicted to these. Well, I am. I don't know why. It might look blurry, but these things are cool as freak. Listen to this. I just like this. I'm like addicted. And search down the comments below what game you want me to play, because I got all kinds of ideas. Like, I got Star Wars Battlefront, WWE 2K17, a bunch of other games. Just type in down below Minecraft. I normally do Minecraft, but give me other things. I got Minecraft Story Mode. I can make the season on that one. I already finished it, so I'm not going to get no trophies. I might get 2 because that's the only trophies I don't have is 2. So yeah, I kind of want to go back and get those 2 trophies. Disney Infinity, complete that. If I'm looking upwards, it's because my games are over there. Yeah. Yeah, I got a bunch of... One game I won't play a lot, but it's all about these fidget spinners. And watch this. Darn it. I can toss this. So, I'm going to toss this. God, I need to move this. I want to get backwards because I feel like I'm ruining this video because of me. Well, I could do this, but fidget spinner, you won't listen. I could toss this. Oh, you see that? You see that? I almost did it. It's probably a lame video already. Because I can't do it. I seen this video of fidget spinners and it could cut your neck. I don't think so. So I think that's fake. I seen that in one video. I'm like, so fake. They probably edited it. I won't try it. I don't really want to try it because what if it's real? Ooh, that feels weird. So yeah. What was I gonna say? Oh, right. So, Plant for Zombies Garden Warfare 2, I really want to play, and Rocket League. I think I already said that. Oh, yeah. Woo! I really like this. So, I 100% guarantee you'll like this. Because if you already got... Oh, that's loud. I seen other people in my school have these, and when they spin it, theirs don't make sounds. Like, all you hear is nothing. But mine... Do you hear that? That's nuts. This. What? I don't know if that was on the fidget spinner or not, my camera angles are bad. So yeah. It will look awesome if that camera skills would bring it to the test, but didn't. And another thing is, I got an idea. Okay, I got my good pal here, Turtle. Yeah, that's his name, Turtle. Like you guess, he's a turtle. What do you want to say? Well, I don't know what to say. Okay, okay, so let's get back to the fidget spinner. It costs $5 or something. I don't know. I think it costs $5. So just buy this, and you'll love it a lot. I'm telling you. I have two. I have a red one, and I got another idea. I'll be right back. I am back. I have the perfect idea. I couldn't find my red one, but I got my sister's. She don't know how to spin it, so I guess I'll keep it. This makes a noise as well. But the idea I was thinking is, oh my God. Darn it, I didn't get that. I kind of saw it on the camera. So, let me get the other fidget spinner that's down there. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Let me get it. Okay, I am back. So, let's do it on my knee, because that'll be more challenging. Darn it! Oh, that makes me so mad when that happens. When I halfway get it and it just falls apart. Okay, I did it, but I know my camera skills are going to suck. But here it goes. Where is it? Oh, I finally got it. There. Finally, my camera skills paid off. Thank you, camera skills. Camera skills. I don't know why I can't talk today. What else? There's another cool thing. So hold it by both ways and try to spin it. I don't know if it works, but it could. No, because actually, that's not what I meant, but it turned out to be that way. So I guess I'll end this video here, but I have this whole idea planned out, and now it's gone. Down. Oh, if you want to get these, go to buy them on Amazon, or if you don't want to buy them and you just decide I don't want to order it, it'll take a week. I don't feel like it. I'll order it because it's worth it, but I didn't order it. I just went to Jungle Gyms because they just got the plain ones, and I wanted one that has designs and that cool stuff. But yeah, I didn't want to wait that long. I couldn't help it. I was like, oh, like I sat there for like 20 hours. Not 20 hours, I meant like 20 minutes. I can't talk. So that's all I have for this today, but what's that noise? Okay, who cares about that? So yeah, get fidget spinners, like 100% have to get them. If my camera angles are off and Bye.